In today's fast-paced world, finding enough hours in the day can be a challenge for busy professionals. But fear not, some simple time management hacks can help you make the most of your precious time. 1. Prioritize. First up, prioritize your tasks. Take a few minutes each morning to identify the most important tasks that need to be done that day. This will help you focus your energy on the things that truly matter and avoid getting bogged down by less critical tasks. 2. Divide your work into chunks. Instead of trying to tackle everything at once, divide your work into smaller, manageable chunks of time. This can help you stay focused and prevent overwhelm. For example, you could allocate 30 minutes to answer emails, followed by an hour to work on a specific project, and so on. 3. Eliminate distractions. Our modern world is full of distractions, from social media notifications to constant email alerts. To stay on track, consider turning off or silencing notifications during dedicated work periods. You can also use website blockers to temporarily block access to distracting websites. 4. Delegate when possible. As a busy professional, you don't need to do everything yourself. Identify tasks that can be outsourced or delegated to others, freeing up your time for more important responsibilities. 5. Take breaks to refuel and recharge. It may seem counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks can actually boost productivity. Use these short breaks to recharge, whether it's going for a short walk, grabbing a healthy snack, or simply taking a few deep breaths. Implementing these time management hacks can help you reclaim control over your day and make the most of your time. By prioritizing tasks, breaking your work into chunks, eliminating distractions, delegating when possible, and taking regular breaks, you'll be well on your way to becoming a time management pro. So go ahead, give them a try and increase your productivity. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to Buntu Media for more productivity tips and tricks. We'd also love to hear your time management hacks in the comments. Let's build a community of highly productive individuals who can get things done quickly and effectively.